Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y22s and let me show you how to do the fingerprint to this device. At first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select security, click on fingerprint and now select some backup to your fingerprint. You can choose pattern, pin code or the password. I will go with pattern, provide it, tap on next, draw it again, confirm. And now manage your notification content. So you can see all notifications once your device is locked. You can see sensitive content only. Actually, you can hide sensitive content or you can hide each notification. And I would like to pick the second option, then tap on done, click on start and put in. And now just agree with all the terms and conditions. And now place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is your power button, so smoothly tap over here. So just tap on it with your finger and keep tapping until it's fully added. You can observe the progress on your home screen. Then tap on done, and as you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.